said luxury had a limit, but Rolls-Royce just proved them wrong. This is La Rose Noire Droptail, a car with a price tag so high it left even billionaires stunned. Estimated at over $30 million, this isn't just the most expensive car in the world, it's a rolling controversy. A single car built for a single family, and yet the world can't stop talking about it. So today we're diving deep into what might be the most insane car decision ever made. Is this ultra-rare masterpiece really worth more than a private jet? Or has luxury simply gone off the rails? Let's start from the top. Literally, at first glance, the Droptail doesn't scream aggression like a Bugatti. It doesn't look like a spaceship, and it doesn't aim to break speed records. No, this is pure elegance, handcrafted down to the very last detail. Inspired by the Black Baccara rose, a dark, mysterious flower loved by the client's mother, this Rolls-Royce takes romance, craftsmanship, and heritage to a level never seen before. Only one has ever been made. That's right, just one. So if you're thinking about buying it, forget it. This car was custom commissioned by one of the richest families in the world. Rumored to be French with deep ties to wine and luxury, they didn't just buy the car. They designed it from scratch over 4 years with Rolls-Royce's top-tier Coachbuilt division. What they created is nothing short of breathtaking. Let's talk about the paint. It's called True Love. But don't let the name fool you. This deep red color with black undertones isn't some off-the-shelf shade. It's a custom blended finish that shifts with the light. Under the sun, it glows with a warm red shimmer. In shadow, it turns nearly black, like a rose on the verge of disappearing into the night. Paired with brushed aluminum trim and fully custom 21-inch wheels, this car looks like it belongs in an art museum. Not on the road. Now we step inside, and here's where things go from luxury to madness. The interior is made from over 1,600 hand-cut pieces of black sycamore wood. They're arranged to look like falling rose petals, capturing the exact moment the flower lets go. This isn't a pattern, it's a sculpture. It took months just to align the wood grains properly, and the leather. It's done in 2 tones, a rich, almost wine-colored red called Mystery Rose, and the same deep black used on the exterior. Even the stitching tells a story, but the centerpiece is what everyone's talking about. Sitting right in the middle of the dashboard is an Audemars Piguet timepiece, a completely bespoke luxury watch, designed to be both dashboard art and wearable wristwatch. Yes, it detaches. And yes, it costs more than most luxury cars on its own. Now let's talk performance, because believe it or not, this beauty still packs a V12 under the hood. It's the iconic 6.75-liter twin-turbocharged Rolls-Royce engine, tuned for ultra-smooth, effortless power. You're not buying this for track days, you're buying it to glide. 563 horsepower, around 5 seconds from 0 to 60, and a limited top speed, because performance is not the priority here. Presence is. Even the roof is a statement. It's a fully detachable carbon fiber hardtop with electrochromic glass that changes transparency based on sunlight. That means it's a roadster when you want the wind in your hair, and a coupe when the mood changes. It's versatility, done with class. Now here's the twist. This car doesn't come with screens, no giant touch displays, no flashy digital dashboards. Why? Because the client didn't want to ruin the timeless aesthetic. It's all analog, all artisan. Rolls-Royce calls it eternal design, a reminder that some beauty doesn't need to change with trends. So the question remains, is it worth it? Is this $30 million rolling sculpture a masterpiece of craftsmanship or an absurd display of wealth? Well, let's put it this way. You're not just buying a car, you're buying history. You're buying identity. And in a world where anyone with money can buy a Ferrari, true exclusivity is something else entirely. La Rose Noire is not about speed, and it's not about tech. It's about creating something that will never exist again. One car, one story, one owner. Even Rolls-Royce says this isn't for the public. It's not a showcase. It's a personal legacy, the modern version of a royal carriage, made not for roads, but for legend. Still, critics are loud. Many say it's too much, that no car should cost more than a mansion, that it's tone deaf in a world struggling with inflation and climate change. But the client didn't care. They wanted beauty. They wanted emotion. They wanted a black rose on wheels, and they got it. So whether you call it art, ego, or insanity, the Rolls-Royce La Rose Noire Droptail is something no one will ever forget. A car so rare, so personalized, and so outrageously expensive, it's already become a legend. And that, dear viewers, is what makes it the most controversial and most luxurious car in the world today.